You're welcome back to my channel. As you all know, it's Ada Beauty Skincare, the house of beauty. So guys, in today's video guys, I'm going to teach you all how to make carrot lightening body lotion. So guys, I've done this video before, but then my ingredients was not too complete. So now I have all my lightening additive, and carrot alone can lighten up your skin. So guys, this is a requested video. So if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please feel free and subscribe. And if today is your first time of watching me, make sure to subscribe before you leave this video, before you finish watching this video. And there's a bell beside the subscribe button. Make sure to press that bell so that you will be getting every of my upload. So guys, thank you for my old and new subscribers. I love you all so much. Guys, I'm doing this video without makeup today. I want you all to see my skin without makeup. I have some spots, should I say dark spots or brown spots. So I want you all to see my skin without makeup, so that by the time I must have cleared out all my spots on my skin, you all will know what I'm talking about. You will know that organic and natural is the main deal. So guys, this is my skin. You can see, even like this, I can go out like this without makeup. I can go outside without makeup. So my face is not that bad, but still I'm going to work on it so that you all will know how far I have gone with my spots. So guys, come, let's go to my workstation. Let me teach you how to make this carrot lightening body lotion. See you soon and bye-bye. Okay guys, this is what I will be using. I have my coconut oil, which is 40 ml. I have my shea butter, which is 40 ml. I have my emulsifying wax, which is 80 ml. And this is my carrot juice that I extracted myself. So I will be using 300 ml because I'm aiming for 500 ml of this cream, guys. So in here I have my powders that I've measured out already. I have my one tablespoon of my Kojic acid, 1 tablespoon of my Arbutin powder, 1 tablespoon of my Niacin powder, and in here I have my citric acid. So guys, I will be using glycerin, vegetable glycerin, and I have my papaya oil, which I made myself, so you can check out the video. And in here is my carrot oil, and here is my hibiscus oil that I made myself. So check out my playlist, guys. And I'll be using my armful oil. So guys, you can see everything I'm showing you, they are all organic. So make sure to use organic when it comes to your skin, guys. So, and I'm still going to add my preservative. Okay guys, so what we are going to do first is to go melt this wax and oils, and I'll be back. And I'm still going to warm my water up. So I'm going to get the temperature of these oils, which is 140, and the temperature of my water, which is 140. So stay tuned, guys, don't go anywhere. I'll be back. So guys, I'm back. I have dissolved the wax and the oils, and my water is hot also. So now what I'm going to do is to pour in my citric acid. For dissolving this citric acid, yeah. So guys, it has fully dissolved. Now I'm going to add my 20 ml of my armful oil and my papaya oil. Oh, this is much. So my carrot oil, 20 ml also. So now my hibiscus oil. $20 ml. So what I'm going to do next is to measure out my carrot juice. This is 1 cup, which is 200 ml. Okay. So I did not full this. Maybe this should be 350 ml. So as time goes, I'm going to add this if the cream is too thick. So guys, this is it. Now we have to pour in our oil into our carrot juice. As you're pouring, you're stirring, guys. So this is it, guys. At the beginning, it's going to look very light because it's hot. You can see the smoke coming out from it. So as the temperature drops, it's going to form. It's going to form into a cream, a body cream or body lotion. So body cream is a thick one. I think body cream is the one without water, while body lotion is the one with water. So now, guys, I'm going to give it a stir with my mixer. So this is it. So this is it, guys. Just a stir with the mixer, it will start to become thick. So now what I'm going to do is to add my glycerin. And I'm still using the same 20 ml of my glycerin. Wow. And mix together. So it's now time to go dissolve our powders, our whitening powders, and I will be using rose water. You can use your distilled water, but not water from the tap, guys. Not water from the tap. So this is it. I'm going to put this in my double boiling. Do this with my double boiling method, and stay tuned. I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, I have dissolved my powders. You can see you have to dissolve well so that you will not have any particles left. So what I'm going to do is to pour this in, and we're going to mix together. You can see how beautiful this carrot cream looks. So guys, if you want a light cream, you can actually add more rose water to it. If you want a thick cream, if you want it to be thick, you can add your xanthan gum, or you can add your stearic acid to it. So I think I'm okay with this texture, because this is summertime. We don't need anything heavy on our body. So what I'm going to do next is to add in my Citric essential oil. So I'm using this. Then you have to mix. So now I'm going to add in my lavender oil. Lavender essential oil, guys. So now I'm going to mix with my stick blender or my mixer. this is it, guys. So the temperature has dropped. Now I'm going to add in my preservative. So guys, this is 500 ml of body cream, so I'm adding 5 ml of my preservative. And the cream is smelling yummy. The cream is smelling yummy. Wow. This is a light base body cream, you know. I'm feeling the smell, so let me give it a test. This is it, guys. So it's light, and the temperature is still not fully dropped. So I know that when the temperature is dropped, it's going to be fully thick. So but I'm just going to pour this into my container, because if I did not pour it now, I cannot do it later. So I'm not using a bowl container. I'm using a glass container, you know, a glass jar, something like that. So I have to pour it this way. If not, it will be so difficult for me to pour this into my container, guys. So just tell me what you think about my carrot body cream. I wish I'm the one that want to use this now. It would have been lovely. It would have been lovely. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Give this video a huge thumbs up and share this video with your friends, family. Leave your comments below. So don't forget to subscribe. That is the main thing, you know. Subscription is free, guys. You're not paying any money. They are not taking any money from your account. Subscription is free. So just subscribe to my channel to encourage me to do more, and any type of video you want me to make for you, whatsoever you want me to make for you, just leave your comments below and tell me, please, I need you to do this video for me, and I'm going to deliver, guys. So I'm going to transfer this to my bowl, guys. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Guys, this is it. You can see how beautiful this cream looks. This is the color here. This one is just a blue bottle. This is the color. So guys, make sure to subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video and leave your comment below. So let's give it a try, guys. You can see how light this cream is, guys. This is summertime, so in summertime you don't want to use anything that is thick, so that you don't suffocate. So don't use any cream that is thick, any cream that is heavy, any cream that is full with oil. No, you just have to use a light base cream that is not packed with oils. So you can see how light this cream looks, guys. This is the best cream to use during the summertime, so that you don't suffocate with heat. So guys, you can see there is not much oil remaining on my skin. So this is the best way to use body cream during the winter time, during the summer time, because if you have too much of oils, you're going to suffocate with heat, guys. So I love you all. Stay tuned and see you in my other next video. Bye.